Hi guys, and welcome to another cash stuffing Sunday. As you can see, we won't be doing any cash stuffing today because I have gone and bought myself a car. This car, this beep beep is mine. I have now bought it. So I ain't got no money this week to cash stuff because I spent it all on this, and I probably will have none next week either because I have a First Holy Communion to prepare for, so I need all my money, and then we'll figure out the rest then the week after that, I hope. Yeah, so my £1,000 fund challenge thing is now empty, and so is the house fund, because they were the two funds I pulled out of to get this car, and honestly it was like such a good bargain. I couldn't not get it, and I really needed a car. The one I was using wasn't mine, so I gave it back, and now I have now bought my own one, so this is all mine, 100% mine. Oh my god, it's such a good feeling to be actually able to pay for a car and pay for it outright. Obviously it's not new now, but it's new to me, and I'm just about to go into B&M to try and get some car seat covers and some mats. And my daughter did want to come with me, but you know what, sometimes it's easier doing these things on your own, so I'm here on my own, and I'm going to go into B&M and I'm going to try and find car seats and car mats and just a few bits, you know, like little smellies and things for the car, trying to keep her nice and clean. And I did see that they had a hoover that had the little nozzles to get down into the small areas, so yeah, I'm hoping to get one of them as well. Never mind today's look, honestly, like I'm just not that long out of work and I'm tired, I'm exhausted. Spotted this orange lipstick in my bag and I was like, we'll rock it today. I have no idea what I was thinking. To be honest, I wasn't really thinking. It was just one of those things. Anyhow, I'm going to head into B&M because it's right there. Got the best parking spot in the area. Just got right outside it. So going to head in there. And yeah, let's see how we get on. So I came in here for car stuff, and I'm after finding this Ted's Tingly sauce. I love this, so we're going to get one of them. Let me see, anything else that we like that we can find. Oh, garlic mayo. This stuff is quite nice. Yogurt and mint. That's quite nice. I'll get one of them. What else? Remember, I did come in here for car stuff. The shrimps and bananas. This could be handy. Okay, so this is all the car stuff. Not a great deal. I thought there'd be a lot more, but I do see that they have the hoover I wanted, which is this little RAC thing here. I'm going to get that because I reckon it'd be very handy in the car, especially with kiddos. And let me see what else is there. I'm going to get the mats. Looking for the rubber ones. They were the ones I saw online, which seemed to have been a better option. I think it's these. Oh gosh, they're really heavy. I think it's them ones. Hard wearing with robust heel pads. Or there's them. That's like a doormat. What's these ones here? Oh, that's the same. It's just 16. Why are they a pound dearer? They look exactly the same. Oh, this one's got a bit of fabric. And the other one doesn't. Right, I need to have a look at these heavy duty car mats. 4-piece set. 2 for the front and 2 for the back. I don't know which ones to get. Alright, I need to have a look at these. I'll be back in a minute. Okay, so we are gonna mosey. I went in, I'm just out of B&M now, pulling out of the car park, and I have literally spent more money than I intended. I did get my mats, and I did get the little vacuum cleaner thing that I said I was going to get. I did get all that, so I'm really happy with that. But I also picked up a really nice pot So I'm going to transfer my aloe vera, I think, into that one and put it in the hole. I think that'll look really nice. So, you know, it's doing a bit. It kind of gets there in the end, doesn't it? So, yeah, now I'm heading to Aldi to get some salad because I've just been informed that we need lettuce and cucumbers. Oh, sugar, what's that in my eye? Oh, something just fell in my eye. That's weird. That is so weird. But anyhow, that's where I'm at. That's where I'm going. Ugh, that was weird. And yeah, shall see you on the flip side, I suppose. So, talk to you in a second. Probably want to get as far as Aldi. Okay, so I've now decided to change my mind, basically. I realised that Tesco's was nearer. So that is where I am now heading to because, well, it's nearer. It's safer to drive at the other side of town to come up this side than to go to Tesco's. So, yeah, we're going to Tesco's instead. It'll be fine. So hey guys, we are back. I've done all my shopping and the kids have all ate their dinners and I just thought I'd come on real quick and show you what I got. So I went to B&M as you saw earlier and I was pottering around. I bought this. What do you think? I think it's really cool. It was actually reduced from £10 to £6 and I'm thinking, oh my god, it's actually bigger than my head. I might put like an aloe vera plant in it or something. I have a little banana plant but that could go disastrous because they grow quite big, but aloe vera you can kind of keep them in and I use the leaves for stuff. So yeah, there was that. I also got my car mats. I went with these ones. They were the £14 ones because I thought kind of middle ground. They weren't as cheap as the 12 ones, but then I thought this goes under where the pedals are, isn't it? At least I think that's what happens. I can't remember. And this is where your shoe kind of lays, so it's not going to ruin your shoes. Of course, you know, thinking of the aesthetics of this and all. And then that's for the back seat. So I thought that was fine. The other one was, there was a £16 one and a 12. So I thought like 14 kind of in a good spot at 14. Now where did I get the video? Oh, here. I found this self-tan back applicator. I've actually not, oh wait a minute, the receipt's in front of me. Hold on now. So the heavy duty car mats were 14. Oh, this thing was $4.99. Hope you can wash it. Oh yeah, pop it in the washing machine. That's grand. This thing was $4.99. It's a back tan applicator. I've always wanted to get one, but I've never actually seen them. I remember one time I saw them in Penneys or Primark and didn't get it, and then I kind of regretted it. So yeah, I'm glad I got it now. So we'll see how it goes. I got these Pop-tastic potato crisps, sour cream and onion. These are $1.25. They did have the Pringles on offer, but I can't eat Pringles because there's wheat in them. So yeah, your girl's got allergy to wheat. Then I also got this yogurt and mint, creamy, minty and refreshing. It's a little salad dressing type thing. Again, no wheat in that, so we're good. And I picked up these, I love these. These are the Mugu Mugu coconut flavoured drinks. They're really nice. They've got the bits in them at the bottom. We love them. So I got 6 of them for the kids and me. And then I picked up this. Oh wait, which way am I going? This, the RAC vacuum cleaner, because it comes with all the little bits to clean the car, which I'm actually going to do this evening because well, I just want to give it the once over. I have air fresheners that I actually forgot I had in the, they're here in the house, so I'm going to put them into the car and yeah, I'm going to clean her out. And that is my cash stuff on Sunday. Just spending money, not saving cash at all. Right here, my lads are about to start, so before they do, I'm going to love yous and leave yous right here. And oh, and I got this thing as well, just real quick. This hot sauce. Again, love it. It was only 89p, so I was like, yeah, I'll get that because it's quite cheap and I really like it. So guys, I'm gonna love yous and leave yous. Have a great week. Don't forget to keep saving and cash stuff in. Not like me spending it, but to be fair now, I did spend it on something really good. I spent it on a car that I need, so it's not exactly a waste. I didn't waste it, and all these things I need and are usable, so you know, justification right there. I shall talk to you on the next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe and do all the YouTubey things, and I shall see you in another video. Bye.